We at Ostoform have developed and are currently commercializing a novel medical device that manages and effectively reduces ostomy skin complications. We've our design finalized, we've our first patient study completed with very encouraging results. We've pulled together a very strong clinical and commercial team, and we're looking at a $450 million market opportunity. Often, as a result of bowel cancer or inflammatory bowel disease, output from the small bowel or the small intestine has to be redirected to the abdomen with the creation of what's called an ileostomy. The output from the ileostomy is then collected in an ileostomy bag, which is secured to the skin by adhesive around the ileostomy. And the output from the bowel or from the ileostomy is particularly acidic and fluidic. And when it flows from the bowel into the bag, it often leaks onto the patient's skin. Because it's acidic, it causes acidic burns, excoriation, what's generally called ostomy skin complications. And 40% of all ileostomy patients suffer from these skin complications. They're a recurring problem. If you can imagine sticking an adhesive bag onto broken and damaged skin, it exacerbates the problem. It has a major impact on the patient's quality of life. We at Ostoform have developed a simple, effective, patent-protected solution to this problem. We've developed a device that prevents the acidic output from leaking onto the patient's skin, keeping the patient's skin healthy and giving the patient confidence. I say it's an effective solution. We know it's effective because we've completed our first patient trial with 5 patients wearing the device for 2 weeks, and we've been able to show a 26% improvement in the patient's skin condition on average. Along with that, almost all patients rated the device a 10 out of 10 for comfort, security, and handling. We've also shown our device to 13 leading expert US clinicians in this space, and of those 13, 12 out of 13 said that they would recommend our device to patients, with one of the 13 saying they needed further proof. We're in the process of providing further proof. We have a second patient trial currently ongoing, 12 patients recruited, and so far the data is looking very encouraging. We're looking at a $450 million market opportunity in the US and the EU combined, and it's that large because our device is used to manage ostomy skin complications, but it's also used to prevent, so it's applicable to all ostomy patients. And our initial focus is the US market. We plan to sell from our website directly to the end user on a subscription basis, and we know we can do that because there is a pre-existing reimbursement code for our device in the US, so the patient doesn't have to pay. We've put together a very strong team to help execute on our plan. My co-founder, Rona Hunt, and I did the BioInnovate program together from where this opportunity emerged. And along with that, we've brought in Stephen Forden, who was a former VP of Marketing and Sales in Convatec, the largest US ostomy company. We've also brought on board Paula Irwin-Toth, who was head of the Cleveland Clinic Wound and Ostomy Department for 21 years. So we have excellent clinical and commercial guidance. We've identified our manufacturing partner, and we're currently raising a seed funding round of €750,000 to get set up with manufacturing, to achieve FDA approval and CE marking for our Class 1 medical device by Q3 2017, at which point we can begin generating revenue. So to conclude, we have our design finalized, we have very encouraging patient data, we've put together a very strong clinical and commercial team, we have US reimbursement, and we're looking at a $450 million market opportunity in which there is a major clinical need. We have a solution. We are Ostoform. Thank you.